The 2010 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL. There's no typo in the title, in case you're wondering. And if looks can be deceiving, we won't blame you if you think that this 1961 Mercedes 190 SL is just a restored classic. But the truth is, it's not. On the contrary, in fact. This, dear folks, is the Mercedes-Benz 190 SL. The project, which was the brainchild of Hot Rods and Custom Stuff, began by taking a 1961 Mercedes 190 SL and stripping it of its original parts with only the car's body left standing. Then, Hot Rods and Custom Stuff widened and lengthened the 190 SL's body to accommodate all the new parts that were going to be put in, most notably the platform of a 2004 Mercedes SL600. After hours and hours of labor, the finished product is what was unveiled at SEMA 2010, a car that seamlessly blended old-school looks with new-school performance features, a marriage that is both awesome to look at and even better to drive. Details after the jump. Interior and exterior. About the only thing Hot Rods and Custom Stuff saved from the original 190 SL is the body. Everything else has been a combination of newer Mercedes body parts, including in the interior, which, judging from the photos of the car, shows a combination of classic parts from the 190 SL and up-to-date items that were obviously taken from more recent Mercedes vehicles. One thing we took a particular liking to was HRCS's inclusion of the custom-fabricated, ivory-colored trim surrounding the gauges. Classic touch. Performance. The builders decided that using the original car's 1.9-liter i4 engine just wouldn't cut it in today's world. So to give the Mercedes-Benz 190 SL a more modern engine approach, the tuners replaced the original, and obviously outdated, engine with a twin-turbo 6.0-liter V12 engine that produces 604 horsepower and 738 pounds-per-foot of torque that is mated to a 5-speed automatic with a lock-up torque converter. In addition to the overhauled powertrain, the boys at Hot Rods and Custom Stuff also added a Rentec EQ, a carbon fiber airbox, and an upgraded intercooler. Pricing. Hot Rods and Custom Stuff have yet to give pricing figures on the classic, modern Mercedes. We don't even know if this car's going to see the production line, so thinking of how much it's going to cost just may be a little premature. But if it's any consolation, we're guessing that this tuned-up classic Merc is going to fetch a hefty price tag in the event it somehow finds itself in dealerships. Competition. It's a classic car with a modern twist, so we're thinking that there's not much competition out there on the market for a car like this one.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.